Is accepting cash in your business better than credit cards? Well, it really depends. It depends on your business, depends on how your internal operations work, and it depends on what you're going to do with the cash. Are you going to create a lot of cash? Are you going to have cash management issues? Is there going to have security risk? Could your employees potentially pilfer the cash? On the other side, accepting cash generally means you don't have to deal with credit card fees, which can be significant for a business. Every time that credit card's swiped, you're usually paying a small percentage, or in the case of small business, a significant percentage of that money to the credit card company. So a lot of businesses like the idea of getting rid of that and not having to pay that unnecessary expense to go into cash. But then you're creating other issues. You're accumulating this cash. If you're selling a lot in a day, you're going to have a large amount of cash, which means the potential for theft or for an employee to misappropriate it, or just general loss. Maybe you misplace some of the cash in the process. Whatever the case may be, there's ups and downs for accepting cash in your business. So which is better is really fact specific. And then you also want to look at what is your bank's deposit situation on cash. Some banks limit the amount of cash you can run into the bank every month. And so are you going to start paying bank fees because you're bringing cash in and your bank doesn't want large cash deposits? That does happen in some cases. So you got to really look at the totality of the situation between the operational side, the risk management side, the finance side, and then of course the record keeping side. Cash tends to be harder to keep records of versus credit cards, because credit cards, you'll have that third party statement generally. Whatever your merchant processing company is will give you a statement of all those credit receipts you have. Whereas cash, you've got to keep the records, or else you're just going to have a pile of cash and not know what is attached to what and whether it's the right amount. So different challenges for the two. I think a lot of people are now saying, hey, cash, cash, cash. And that could be great for a lot of reasons, but it creates other issues too. Plus, it in some cases may make your business look more suspicious because you're running cash, and that could be a sign of other things going on in your business, which the government may not like. So you really got to look at the totality of your circumstances. Sit down with a good business lawyer licensed in your jurisdiction that's been through this before. Talk about your business, talk about your operations, and get to that right answer. If you have questions about business and business law, feel free to join me in the comments. Don't put anything confidential in there because, of course, YouTube comments are viewable by the public, so we wouldn't want any confidential information getting out. But would love to see your questions and thoughts and potentially future topics for videos. Got a whole library of past videos here for you on the channel, and make sure you subscribe for future updates. I'll see you again soon.